Hi there. You might have more time to do a little research on essential oils, right? Are you interested in a natural approach to your health and wellness? Or did you just get a premium starter kit from Young Living and want to know more about how to use these wonderful plant juices? Well, I'm going to give you a really quick version, an Essential Oils 101 right now, okay? So Young Living has an essential oils starter kit with 12 amazing oils in it and a wonderful diffuser, okay? So first of all, there are 3 ways to use essential oils. First, aromatically, easy with adding water and a few drops of your essential oils in and diffusing it. And so you can smell it. You can also just open up a bottle, breathe it in, or put a drop in your hands and take a deep breath. The second way is topically. You apply the oil where the need is. And if you don't know where to apply it, your feet are a perfect place. They're not sensitive and the powerful essential oils will absorb in. A lot of oils do need to be diluted, so I would use a carrier oil like fractionated coconut oil. I also like it to have oils already diluted like peppermint and thieves essential oil blend in a rollerball so that it's ready to go. The third way to use essential oils is internally. And all the bottles with white labels you can take internally for internal support and for cooking. Those are the 3 ways. So when you get a essential oil starter kit from Young Living, you have amazing oils with such great properties. You get 12 oils. This is 10 and 2 more. So I'm going to go super fast and give you a couple uses for each oil. So if you just got your kit or you're wondering what you should do with them, I'm going to tell you. Okay, here we go. First of all, lemon. I love lemon. Lemon essential oil is great for adding it in your water for a gentle detox. It's also great for spring cleaning. It takes off stickers or any sticky substances. It's great for laundry or boosting your cleaning supplies. It's also super uplifting when you diffuse it. Okay, we all know and love lavender. Lavender essential oil, it is relaxing, great for bedtime or stress. It's good for your hair, skin, and nails, your lashes, any boo-boos on your skin for your kids. You want to have this. All right, another one of my favorites they're all my favorites, peppermint. Peppermint is good for all things digestion and tummy. Good for occasional head tension. It gives a boost of energy, and it may be a workout booster. Who likes peppermint brownies or peppermint mochas? You just need 1 drop in your coffee or about 5 drops in your brownie batter to make peppermint brownies. It also could give you fresh breath. Raven. Well, first I'm going to talk about frankincense. The ones I just talked about are single oils, 1 oil in them. Frankincense gives you youthful skin. Put it directly on your face or wherever you need skin support. Diffuse it for concentration, for extra focus, to help in Bible study and medication or yoga. I like to put a drop on my head and be like smelling it throughout the day through my head and to give me grounding feeling. Raven. This is all about breathing, respiratory support. Raven is a blend of several oils. It's great if you make, it just popped out. Excuse me. Raven is great for chest rub. Add some coconut oil and rub it on your chest and take a deep breath. Okay, next is panaway. Panaway is also great after workout give yourself a massage after sore muscles. It soothes joints and muscles. You can take a bath with it in Epsom salts to relax. I love that smell too. All right, I don't go anywhere without Digest. Digest is a blend that you can take internally. It's everything for your digestion. Or apply it topically on your tummy when you need digestive support. Like I said, I don't go anywhere without it. And Thieves Essential Oil. This wonderful blend is all about immune support. You could take it internally. I put a drop in my coffee or make a Thieves tea with lemon, honey, and warm water, or apply it to the bottoms of your feet daily. Okay, Valor. I don't go far from Valor. This one is my perfume, but it also, the smell and this blend of oils boost your confidence. If you're scared about doing something or apprehensive, you need this. It's also relaxing and calming. Great around bedtime as well. Okay, and Citrus Fresh. This is a blend of all the citrus oils and spearmint. It does what it says. It freshens up anything stinky, and it also uplifts your spirits. It's great to be diffused. Use it in your laundry on your wool dryer balls. It's also, when taken internally, an antioxidant boost. Okay, and my last two favorite blends, Stress Away. It does just that. Keep this handy. Are you stressed out right now? Do you need help relaxing and going to bed? Use your Stress Away. And my daughter's favorite, Peace and Calming. This is the kid's favorite, or a mom's favorite, I should say, but good for adults too. It's definitely calming. Any stress, worriedness, try this. Rub it on your kids' feet before nap time or bedtime. So that's a quick version of the 12 oils in the starter kit. It can support almost anything you might be going through. Now, sometimes I like to blend a few of these oils together for other supports. So make a roller ball with about half equal amounts of each of these oils. So changing season, spring is upon us. Lavender, lemon, and peppermint are excellent support for that. Do you need a chill pill, a relaxing blend? Lavender, frankincense, and stress away. You could also throw in Peace and Calming there. Workout boost. My workout roller is lemon, raven, and peppermint. My happy tummy roller is a combination of digest and peppermint. I've been using this a lot. Be Well. My Be Well roller is thieves, frankincense, and lemon. Wake Up. My Wake Up roller is peppermint and lemon or citrus fresh. And finally, Happy Skin. I have a nice serum that I make in a roller ball with jojoba as my carrier oil of frankincense and lavender. So I hope you enjoyed that super quick Essential Oils 101. And if you need to get some oils, I can definitely hook you up or help you. If you have any questions, please let me know.